Aduh. Salip deh. Pag the off sa off. Yawan eh. Okay. Lihat ni mo. Okay. Move. Dali. Ayo, off sa. Ready na. Okay, off na. Now we'll check our trap. Wow, mama's first time. Now we're checking. Butang na, butang. Oh, so no more here. So right now here we're checking. So replace it. Oh, ito ara, hulog na. Yeah, so agoy, na blood. Ito ah. Tuas ubo siguro. Ito ara. Na headshot siya boy no. Headshot siya. Nakuha. Very effective. Effective guys. This or that. Okay.
Nagkaan yang kanyang
So na isa kamit wala eh. Wala. Grabe strikean ra niyang ulo siguro boy no. So very effective guys. Okay, very effective ang among shop. Okay. Now if you want to buy like this, just go to Shigeto store. They're selling this kind of trap. Very simple but very effective. Right there, see. Right there. You know guys, we're so kind to animals, but problem here is you see this one, they cut this and then they start now biting this one, and then they slip over here this side. So there are times that we're going to, of course, be aware of it. So sacrifice ang rat guys. Kak na itawag ambo. Kaya gugpag ambo sa init, ampo sa ini. Kakat din na sin. Koan din na yun. Kinain na niya guys. Oh. Tapos ito naputol na yan guys. Tapos pinutol natin at dinugtong ulit. So, ayos bro. Kung ganun, mahirap yan. Alright, so that's it for today. Kunin natin itong trap. Lagay naman sa loob ng bahay. Okay, thank you guys. So, headshot. Headshot siya.